It's a wet morning on day 124. Been hiking for a couple hours now. Started raining before I even got out of my tent, so the tent's all wet. It is what it is. It's not terribly cold, however. It's probably in the 40s, I should think. Mid-40s, maybe. So kind of drizzle. Probably going to happen. Probably going to be raining most of the day and tomorrow. And I think Saturday is supposed to be even worse, like inch of rain or something like that. And if all goes according to plan, I should reach Etna Summit then, and we'll be done with this fire closure segment so I can go back to the desert. Had a great time last night at the campground, Grider Creek Campground. Gary and Layla and their daughter Cassidy and her friend Aaliyah. We roasted marshmallows and had a shot or two of Jägermeister, and then they all went into town and had their dinner, and I camped for the night. You can see the fall colors here. I mean, a lot of it is sort of past the peak, but you know, and it doesn't show the best when it's raining, but like I said, it is what it is. Looks like cotton down there in the nestled in the valley. It's about the best view I've had all day, I think.